Hailing from the tiny village of Imliadi, Vivek Vikram Singh had to overcome multiple challenges through his early life.
My dad got selected in the UP police service. I think I grew up wanting to be just like him, and after 12th I did my engineering. I had a fairly major road accident. Lost about 40% use of my right arm. My aim of being a police officer was laid to rest, so I had to figure out a new career at that age.
After working at various jobs in consulting, Vivek Vikram Singh was brought by serendipity to Sona Comstar.
When I joined, together all the companies had a net loss, I think about 100 crore. 3 months in, the founder, Dr. Kapoor, passed away. That 2-year phase was very hard. The US company was losing about 6 crore per month. We failed in saving that entities. We helped our customers migrate their business to the India business. We wanted to put up capacity in India to shift the business from US, but it was very hard. We met HDFC. They supported us at that time when our net worth was negative. We did a very good acquisition in Comstar, where a lot of people thought start a motor company. We saw a motor company. We made only differential gears when I started out. My biggest single contribution would be that I challenged the thinking and said, why don't we make the whole system, the whole differential assembly, for only one type of vehicle category, which is electric vehicles. And that was one of the biggest reasons we grew as fast as we could, 3 times.
It's been incredible to hold up our numbers, supply to our customers on time, in full. I've been extremely proud of where Vivek has taken the business.
Today, with 10 manufacturing facilities around the world and a turnover of over 2,000 crore rupees, Vivek Vikram Singh is steering Sona Comstar into the future.
We want to be a very integral part of how the technology that supports mobility changes in the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Vivek Vikram Singh.